Hi, so in this video we will learn about how to sort the list. Okay, so list sorting. Okay, it is a important chapter, so just uh, keep this in mind. Okay, so look, list object have a sort function also that will sort the list alphabetically or alphanumerically or by ascending order or by default descending order. Okay, it will sort whatever which function by which function you want. Okay, so let's take an example again. Here just suppose I am taking Sharad and let me take orange in a dynamic order, means just a random order, ORANG, not like apple, banana, cherry, ABC. Okay, now I'll take mango, different from ascending order. Now I'll take kiwi. Here I'll take now pineapple and let's say banana. Okay, now I want to sort it. So for sorting this in ascending order, I'll use Sharad dot the sort function. Okay, sort, and if I'll print this, then if I'll use Sharad, then you can see banana, kiwi, mango, orange, pineapple. Now it gets sorted by an ascending order alphabetically. Okay, B is first, K is second, M is third, O is, and P alphabetically sorting. Okay, what if I want to sort a list which is in integer? So just suppose sort the list numerically. Let's say I have a list of numbers, so called Sharad is equal to, let's say 100 or 50 or 65, let's say 82, 23, whatever is there. Okay, I want to sort it, so here I'll again use Sharad dot sort L empty. L I didn't specify anything, so don't specify anything, it will sort by default. Okay, Sharad dot sort and then print the list. The list name is Sharad, so I am printing it. It will get printed in ascending order. Okay, 23, 50, 65, 82 and 100. Okay, what if I want to do in descending order? I want to print the list in descending order. I want to sort in descending order. So sort in descending order. So as you know, by default it is in ascending order. Okay, so I just need to reverse it. I need to reverse it so that it could be printed in the descending order. So for this we will do reverse is equal to true. That's it. Okay. Okay, so now let's take this in the code. So let me copy this first. Copy, and here let's paste it. And for this Sharad, again I'll do sort function, but now in the bracket, in the function bracket, I will do reverse is equal to true. Okay, the letter of the true, first letter T, it should be capital. If you will write it in a small letter, the code will not work, it will show you the error. Okay, so just keep it in capital letter because it is a boolean value. So I am commanding the sort function to reverse it By default it is ascending. Now reverse it, tell reverse to true so that it could be printed in the descending order. Now if I'll print the list, then it will show me in descending order. Okay, pineapple, orange, mango, kiwi and banana. The same thing you can do for numerically also. Okay, let me copy, wait, let me here, let me copy this. It will save our time. So okay, I need to paste it. Sort the list numerically but in descending. Okay, the list would be same. It is a random list. Okay, Sharad, sort. Here we need to do reverse is equal to true. If I'll print this, then 100, 82, 65, 50 and 23. Okay, it will get reverted, reversed, and it is in now descending order. Okay, even as you've seen, you are customizing the sort function here by an argument. Even you can customize the sort function morally and thoroughly. Okay, let me show you what I'm telling actually. Customize the sort function. Okay, even you can make your own function for customization. Okay, but here we will use a key method. We will use key is equal to function. Okay, I'll show you. Like just suppose I want to create a function that will return a number and that will be used to sort the list from lowest number to the first number, or in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, so now just suppose I want to sort the list based on how close the number is to, let's say, 50. Okay, so what I'll do here, I will define define a function, my function, or define a function called Sharad. Okay, function. I have defined a function so called Sharad function which will sort the list based on how close the number is to 50. So now here in the function I'll use n as an input. Okay, as an input where it will return the absolute function abs you have seen in the data type chapter, and then here I'll write n minus 50. Okay, so the function will return whatever input we will give that thing, and it will just use the abs function and return the closest value near to 50. So if just suppose I have a list called Sharad and this list has let's say 100 and then 50, then 65, let's say 82, let's say same above I'm using 100, 82, 65, 50 and 23. Okay, so I'll sort first, Sharad dot sort, and then I'll use one argument called key is equal to what? My function. What is my function? My function is Sharad function. I named it. You can name whatever you want. Okay, and if I'll print this, print what? Sharad, then what will happen? 50, 65, 23, 82 and 100 are printed because I have used n. N is what? Now 100 minus 50 is 50. then 50 minus 50 would be different thing. 65, it is sorted also. Okay, it is sorted also because I've used a sort function also. Okay, so whichever is closest to 50, it will get automatically printed. Okay, so if you will see this, if you will see the code, you will understand more. And even in the some notes in the theory, I'll give you the overall definition of this function, how this came actually, because this is a handwritten. Here we cannot draw this. We cannot draw something. I cannot do it by hand by drawing a line or something, because in this platform it is not very comfortable. So I'll make another video where I'll use the whiteboard for, and I'll show you by an handwritten type, so that you could understand very well what is the basic logic, what is the basic concept behind this. Okay, all the tough part we will do it in whiteboard, don't worry. I'll show you in the next upcoming videos. Okay, maybe it will take some time, but it will happen. Okay, what if I want to do some case sensitive sorting? Let me show you. Let me write it first. Case sensitive, what is the spelling? ITIVE sorting. Look, by default the sort method is a case sensitive, right? Like resulting in all capital letters and being sorted before the lowercase letter, right? That is true. But what if there is an unexpected result? Let's try it. What I am saying, again I am taking the same thing. Here I'll use banana. We will use a random character. Apple, cherry, banana is not there. Orange and kiwi, but the first letter should be capital, so I'll use kiwi and then cherry. Okay, if here I'll use what? Capital O, and in banana capital B. No, small b. Let's let it be. Small b is there, capital O is there, capital K is there, and small c is there. Okay, so now just suppose I will sort this Sharad dot sort, sorted by default in ascending order. Okay, if I'll print this, kiwi, orange, banana and cherry. Okay, why it is printed? Because by default the sort method is a case sensitive. Okay, because small k and capital K, they both have different ASCII values. Small o and capital O has different ASCII values. Okay, B is different, C is different, ASCII value is totally different, and that is the reason all the capital letter is being sorted before the lowercase letter. You must understand this. Again I am repeating, by default the sort method is a case sensitive, which will result all the capital letter being sorted before lowercase letters. Okay, so you should keep this in mind before creating the list. Okay, if you used capital letter before everything, then just use capital letter in overall list. Otherwise, when you will sort this, the result, in which way the result you want, it won't get. You won't get the proper result. Okay, that is the reason case sensitiveness is really important in the sorting, because otherwise it will give you some unexpected result. Okay, luckily we can here use a built-in function as a key function when sorting a list. So if you want a case insensitive sort function, then you can use string.lower command as a key function. What I am telling, let me show you. So here what we will do, we will perform a case CSE insensitive sort of the list. Okay, so let me take the same example, copy and paste, and then Sharad dot sort, and then in this we will again use the key function is equal to, now we will use str for a string dot lower. Okay, we just need to lower all those capitalization which is present in the list. For now, for this it will automatically get in a proper format. That's it. You will not get any unexpected result. Okay, so just lower all the strings. Now print this. If I'll print this, you can see all the things will be, wait, I did some sure this sort is there. Yes, B C K A O. Okay, it is already printed. Okay, I was confused. What I printed this like. Okay, so it is now printed in a sort form. Okay, but here what you have used, you will have to use a key for a string lower so that it could be printed in a proper format. If you won't use, then it will get printed in this format. Okay, because the capitalization is there. Still we are using the capitalization, but you see here it is printed in sorting order, in ascending order. When we use this, key is equal to string dot str dot lower. Okay, even you can reverse the order. What if you want to reverse the order of the list? Okay, regardless of alphabet. So here you will use the reverse method to reverse the current sorting order of the element. Like just suppose here I'll take the same or banana, orange, kiwi and cherry. Okay, so now I want to reverse it. So Sharad dot reverse, and then I'll use, rather than sort function, I'll use the reverse function, and if I'll print this, then it will reverse the output, cherry, kiwi, orange and banana. Just reversing the output, not sorting, just reversing. For reversing and sorting, just use, if you have capitalization, just use reverse and then key str lower. Okay, it will reverse the function by descending order or by the reversing order. Okay, so hope you understood this sort function. Nothing is more than this sort function. All the concept I have told you is in between this Python. Okay, if any question, anything will not come after this. All the things I taught you is included in the Python, and all these things you must understand. Okay, so hope you understood all the concept behind the sort list, and I'll see you in the next video where we will see how to copy the list, because here you have seen the sort function. Now we will see how to copy the list. Okay, so till then, bye bye.